go with the blues here. So, oh man, long of a end of the long holiday season here. Just at a 80th anniversary party for a beautiful lady, Ann, and my buddy Richie Del Santo's mother-in-law, and Denise's mom, and from Ireland. Super wonderful lady. So, but hey, this is it. And but over the Christmas break. Christmas Eve, I went up to my sister Holly's and we did a video of appetizers. So, but then the night before Christmas Eve, we had a special request from Jamie and wanted some baked stuffed scallops. So the problem with scallops is you bake them in the oven and they take a long time and the flavor's not always there, so kind of developed a new recipe for it, and so here's what we're going to do. Oh, that skillet's mega hot. So Justin, what'd you do with the white wine? I got it over here.
Jack, did you get a piece of cake?
I got it, thank you. So start with white wine. So leave it in that corner. So this is going to be enough for like 2 or 3 dishes here. So we'll do the white wine. Paula, plenty of garlic.
Love it.
I mean, like crazy amount of garlic. But don't fear because we're gonna simmer it down. And, lemon juice. A good amount of lemon. And salt and pepper. So we're just going to let that cook down. And then some nice scallops. So these are some nice baked stuffed scallops. And I have the rich cracker crumb stuffing here that we've done in previous we did a previous recipe with it. And then, but I don't know, we're going to do it all in one video, Glenn?
If you want, we can do it all in one.
I think we'll do it separate.
Okay. We'll do it separate.
So I put a little bit of blackened seasoning. Okay. I'll put a little bit of fresh garlic. Do here. I want to switch to a wider skillet, so yeah, get the reduction more. Then, plenty of butter. That was butter and seafood is like salt and pepper. What else? What else can we call it? Goes together like vanilla ice cream and hot fudge.
Yes, that's a good one.
So just let that come up to a nice. It's almost like a bear blanc. We're gonna do. I'm going to reduce that down a little bit and we'll be right back. I think that's right where we want it, Glenn.
Okay.
Let's see here. Got everything reduced down a little bit. The flavor, the garlic, the butter, the lemon, it's all concentrated. That's kind of what we're looking for because a lot of times I used to just put wine and lemon and butter in it, and then the juice from the scallops, it got like real watery, so it kind of didn't concentrate down the flavors like I wanted it. But this has really worked out well here. So see that nice garlic on top, and then instead of just putting a lot of crumbs, I just sprinkle the crumbs on. Okay, so it's nice and light on top. A little bit of Parmesan-y. Of course, got to do a little green onion. And right in the oven. I'd say about, you know, we'll see. Probably about 15-20 minutes. Okay. Based out of here in New London?
Yeah, pretty much southeastern Connecticut.
Oh, you southeastern? Y'all, where y'all from?
Well, we're two parts of a trio actually that all play at the Mystic Seaport Museum.
Oh, fantastic.
So that's how we.
You know Craig Edwards?
Absolutely.
Yeah, he's a friend of mine.
Cool.
Yeah, he played. Love to have you down here to play one night there.
Yeah.
Skylark was hired. Who hired him, Richie?
Denise and Alicia De Los Santos.
You girls got some good ears. I know that's right. Because really thoroughly enjoyed it. Ann's birthday, Richie De Los Santo and his mother-in-law, and Denise's mom, and Josh's grandma. Jeez. So, just wonderful having you here. So, but we're going to let you set. I mean, it's going to be, I don't want to, it's going to be super hot coming out of the broiler. So, I'm going to let you take it to the table. Here. So, we have our garlic butter, and I'm just going to reheat it up a little bit. This is our master dish that we've used, so we're going to kind of consolidate it out. And there it is right there. So let that butter nice and melt. We're going to put a little bit over the top, and you played for your supper tonight.
Sometimes it's hard to be a professional musician. Not today.
Hit it with a little green onion, of course. Instead of parsley, I always throw a little green onion on there. I don't know. A little more. I think it needs a little more.
I think the Scallops are hungry.
Yeah. See how I had a little butter, a little wine, and it brought that sauce right back together. See? That's what we're looking for right there. And right over the top. It's a wonderful thing, beautiful talent, young talent. This whole area, southeastern Connecticut, is a hotbed of entertainment, and you're a testament to that, because I haven't heard you before, but you had a nice summer over at the Seaport. It's a beautiful thing. Anybody coming around this area, you've got to visit Mystic Seaport. And it's got entrenched in the history of this whole area with the music and the boat building, and just the whole experience is wonderful. Well, this is your dish here, but I won't Won't have you try it on camera because this is molten hot, so be careful. Okay? So,
Okay, cool.
you all right with it?
Yeah.
We'll send it out to you.
Okay,
How's that?
excellent. Thank
Hey,
you.
Daddy Jack's going with the blues here. New England baked scallops. Baked stuffed scallops.